All of you cannot see. You can't even stand a sexy girl. I'm that sexy baby. You understand? People say that she's married, she should remain responsible for where she's a hustler. If you have a wife every weekend bringing 10 million, will you not free her? Won't you free her? Every week she's bringing the money with the madness. Won't you free her? My mother-in-law self is a PA. Where the level don't reach. I don't do branding. I don't do Gucci. I don't do Prada. I even wear the fake Nana 35. But I know my account is more respected than your account. Because check your neighbor who is wearing Prada and ask, how much is your account balance? Me and one lady, we were writing exam, MBA exam in an examination hall. Very beautiful lady. And I looked at her and she said to me, Helen, how far? I said, fine. They said, what is a comedian doing in an MBA class? I said, what is a beautiful girl without husband doing in an MBA class? And they said I insulted her. Is that insult? Some people just open their mouth and they talk. What is the essence of branding with no total package of money? Ladies, guys are not looking at only branded fine girls again. No. If you like yellow from here till tomorrow, you must know how to squeeze Ugu if that guy is sick. Squeeze Ugu, bring out the water, and stop looking for Evans. I didn't mention any name because the man has vanished. Kekwano, I like the vanishing technique being applied. I like it. When the small ones will be burned to death, the big ones will vanish. Where are we going to? Why do we look at the material things and forget the things that are very necessary? My brother, everyone is looking for corporate organization to work. My dear, what is happening to selling that t-shirt in front of your house and making your money? After you say no money, who tell you say no money? With the fact that I married lawyer, nothing except monthly allowance. And they tell him, your wife is local, your wife is local. But my dear, she's the one bringing the money. What do you mean? Won't you remain and leave her to be local? If it's you, will you want her to be foreign? If I'm at McDonald's, you are so funny, but you are not making money like Funke Akindele local. You see that the life is different. Why are you laughing? With all the beautiful queens, see where you are sitting down. Sis, come forward. Let's talk about it together. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with the best musician in the world. The fine lady, she said to me, Auntie Helen, introduce me, let me just say hi to the people. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, welcome my school daughter, the very intelligent, powerful performer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Yemi Alade! Una pay for the ticket to bring Yemi.